Hey guys, watch this. To create this progress or loading bar, create a Fusion comp in your timeline by clicking on Effects, Effects, and searching for Fusion Composition. I want the progress bar to animate in 2 seconds, so I will press on Control D and then adjust it to 2 seconds. Next, right-click on the Fusion composition and select Open in Fusion page. Once in the Fusion page, add a rectangle node, then add background node and connect them this way. Now click on the background node and change it to red. Then click on the rectangle node, go to Inspector, and adjust the width to 1. Once done, adjust the height to 0.125. Our progress bar has now taken shape. The next step is to duplicate the rectangle node. To do that, click it, press on Ctrl-C, then press on Ctrl-V. The duplicate will automatically position itself in between the original rectangle and the background nodes. Click on the duplicate, press F2, then rename it as Duplicate Rectangle. After that, while the duplicate rectangle is still selected, go to Inspector, and under Paint Mode, select Subtract. The duplicate rectangle is now colorless, and it is covering the red rectangle beneath it. What we want to do in our animation is to move the duplicate rectangle to reveal the progress bar. While the duplicate rectangle is selected, right-click on Center, then choose Expression. The numbers you see here, 0.5 and 0.5, represent the X and Y axes of the rectangle. To animate, type this formula. Put a space after the number 5 plus sign space time slash comp.RenderEnd. Press Enter and then check if the animation works. If we go to the Edit page, we can see that the animation works there too. However, we also want a text that tells the viewer that it is a loading or a progress bar. Go back to the Fusion page, click anywhere on the grid, then click on the text node. Connect the text node to the background, and then click on the text node itself. Now right-click inside the text box, choose Expression, then delete what's in the expression box and type this formula. You can get this formula from the video description. It is up to you if you want to adjust the text size or the font style. Let us see if it works. Going back to the Edit page, we can reposition our loading bar by using the Y-axis, and we can also adjust its size by using the zoom. And now for the final check. And that is how you create a loading bar effect in DaVinci Resolve. Thank you for watching.